Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another detailing product review. Today we'll be taking a look at the Turtle Wax Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. This stuff is freely available at most automotive stores, and today we will be giving it a test run. I actually picked up some sun visors from a wrecking yard for my work van, and that's only because my work van ones are well past their use by date. And these ones, apart from being absolutely disgusting and filthy, look pretty good. So let's go inside the shed and we'll use this stuff here to try and clean them up, and we'll see what the end results are. Here's the before. You can see it is really quite dirty with a lot of ingrained dirt. And it actually looked worse than that before. I wish I filmed it beforehand, but I did already give it a bit of a wipe over. So this has already had the initial clean, but we haven't used any products on it yet. I've just wiped it over with a wet cloth. And let's use some of this stuff and see how it goes. Here we go, all done. It's taken me less time to clean this up than what it's taken you to watch this video. And as you can see, it's come up perfectly clean. I've also done the other side off camera, and that's it there. Well, as you saw, this stuff here worked pretty well. I'm pretty happy with it, and look, I've hardly used any of it that's in the can. It doesn't feel like there's anything missing out of the can, and it's done a great job. And I think I will be using this stuff for some other interior cleaning projects in the future. I've got plenty of projects in my shed, and I do think this stuff worked really well. Apart from it being a little bit expensive, and I'll put the current price up here for you just so you know how much it was. I can't remember now. But apart from the price, I can't fault this stuff. It worked really well. I'll pretty much give it a 9 out of 10. Now, if you enjoyed this video at all and found it useful, do me a favour, give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.